So, welcome to the live. We are doing 1 quart rendering in 1 flush and rub it in to give you a finish. 1 down. So some people know that's 1 down. Some people know that's 1 quart. Yeah, so we are doing 1 quart. We are doing rendering. 1 flush, rub it in. Some people know it as 1 down. So we use sand and cement to make a mortar mix. Flashing on the wall to cover the blocks. Make it cool for a while and rub it in. And you call it 1 down. Normally, it'll be 2 process where you do the rough flush, level up the wall, and then you use a more refined to do the graniting to get it smoother. This is not what we're doing this wall. Making 1 flush and rub it in. So they call it 1 down or 1 quart. All right. How long you make it quail for? It all depends on how hot the wall be, right?
No, really, I have to wait for you.
Oh, you have to wet it back.
If I catch out and then right.
Not thick. Wall not bad. Could I go down more? Say late. Yeah, do you know that?
Drive them in, want to make sure them plumb, see?
Huh?
Drive them in, you want to make sure them plumb. As long as you clear it, color man, everything.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're doing rendering. Rendering the wall. Is that good? It's a material in that way. Huh? Okay. What is doing? I can't answer the message here. Okay. What is he doing? Rendering the wall. Covering the blocks. To give it a smooth please to fix the camera better. Okay, ma'am. Eh? Come up here. Check say saying down in the upper. You come down then. Oh. You need to screw one bulb in on this. Oh. You're live, you know, so stop it. Stop chat people business. You can't chat people business when you're live. You get in trouble. So the construction man they stay. You live to chat people business. It is not clear. Why is it so? I don't know. It look clear on the screen. It look clean on the screen. Somebody says it's not clear. The wall out, right? So welcome to the live if you're just tuning in. So we are doing wall rendering. So this is a 1 coat flash and rub-in. Some people know it as 1 down. And some people call it 1 coat covering. So we're just doing the rough flash and rub it in, and that's it. So it's a process where we mix the sand and cement to make a mortar paste, flash it on the wall to cover the blocks. Use a straight edge to cut it and get it plumb or level. Remember, when you use a leveler, you're not sure about all that level. Huh? So I find it I use? Huh? Huh? So both sides off?
Yeah. sketching.
That's how you get your first one. And then say, level, plumb. Okay, somebody says, I thought that one coat rendering is only for outside. Okay, somebody asked a good question here. So I thought that one coat rendering is just only for outside. Okay, so this is a garage, a parking garage. So what I plan to do, I might do is use shower lawn. So because I gotta put shower lawn on it, I'm not doing that refined coating. That's the reason I'm doing it like this. However, if I cannot afford a shower lawn, I can paint it, and it will have that coarse look. That is why I'm doing the one. So, but I would do this one down or the one coat inside the house. But this is a parking garage, so that's why I'm doing the one coat. Great job, guy. Thank you. Okay. Andrew bless. Andrew bless. Back up yourself. Andrew bless. And you have and do remember to leave a like, send the comments. I answer as much questions as I can. So why the question and just stay on the screen? Like. All right. A little closer. So all the way down there can do the wall here. All the way down there can do the wall here. All of this. Yeah?
No. I need some.
So I set that in the corner now. Yeah, I started rubbing it in now. I started rubbing it in now. All right. And I pick one more.
Just know what top. Wait here for the spray.
Oh, for bringing my moisture and everything there. Oh, so basically that's how I rough it up back now. Okay. One down, one flush, one rubbing. Remember guys to leave some like, I highly appreciate it. Get in there, let's get in there. One love. One down, one foot, one flush. Begins. See it, one down, one flush, one rubbing. This is what they call one coat or one down. Remember to leave some likes, please and thanks. Highly appreciate it. Encourage the algorithm by leaving some likes. And do remember to subscribe if it's the first time here. Subscribe to see the full video because the streaming won't be able to show everything. So I'll be sending the video. So when you subscribe and I send the video, you'll be able to see the complete thing. I only can stream for a certain time. But I'm recording the whole thing to do the video, to upload the video differently. So remember to subscribe so you can see the finishing and from the start till the end. So as I would say, if you think this video is educational or interesting, press the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to see more video like this. And that highly motivate me to do more video like this. So we are doing wall rendering, one down, one coat. Which you mix sand and cement with water to make a mix, paste. Flush the wall to cover the blocks. Then rub it in like this. One viewer say that they only do one down outside. So this is a parking garage, as you can see. So we're just doing the one down in the garage. We want to do that inside the room or inside the house. That's for the parking garage. That piece is complete now. Alright, so that's one down. Mix up more material. Okay, 100 bless lager. How much bag of cement, bag of question? How much bag of cement he gotta use to finish? Come on, when the thing I want still finish this carport. Alright. So the question is, how much bag of cement to finish this? Alright, if as you can see, this side of the wall is complete already. How much cement to mix up so far, Mark? 1.5 bag? To 1.5 bag of cement to 2 barrel. So that the mix ratio we do so far, we mix 1.5 bag of cement to 2 barrel of sand. So basically, I don't know that as well, but by this thing I can't tell what would be the amount of material. Eh? 1.5 bag of cement to 2.5 barrel?
Yeah, because
you put look at the ready there. Okay. But no problem. I will leave. We just hear my work. This is my work. So I just buy and work. So at the end of the work, I can tell you what amount it take, but I can't tell you that often right about now. Because everything, why this thing continuously? And I like this. Before you go back, screw and then down here. Screw and bolt man to jump up and yeah. Oh, I can't go for another. Ready, my papa. Eh?
So we run off his switch before it blow up my good.
Quick time, I just fuck make mucking. Welcome everyone to my live stream. I highly appreciate. Let's spend the time and visit. Oh, so when you sleep, the screen go down. Right under that, someone. There's something wrong with the live one because I'm not getting now. I'm not getting a visual, so see gone again. So I move fast, you know. Three wet. That's what I do look when I dig it down, man.
Catch all the thing.
Yeah.
And you feel all this, you know, wet up here, floating good now.
Mm-hmm.
You feel all the wet up here, floating good.
Live. Shut up, man.
First time I beat you. So the first time I hit on a fence, I hit and it was flashy. So not around there now. Put the hose by the pipe and turn us walk with water and stuff.